Yeah, because I heated up.
Yeah.
And marred the end of it. I shouldn't have really used the old bolt. That one can turn that to here.
Eh?
That one can turn that to here.
Yeah.
Right, welcome back to Audi Mechanical, and in today's episode we were putting control arms on. We were just finishing off the Audi work. I've got a spring to put on, anti-roll bar bush to connect. Connect up the lower part of the spring, which cooperate your stupid camera. Don't know what your flashing's all about, but see it, we have to disconnect it the other side. We'll move it back into sync in a minute. We've got a new set of control arms on. Yes, it looks a bit rusty. We're going to paint it anyways, it doesn't really matter. There you go. Oh. And it's a tad cold. That's all I'm going to say. It's a tad chilly. Right, you want to jack that strut up a wee bit?
Eh?
Jack that strut up a wee bit. Preferably don't jack on the back plate, jack on the...
Well,
keep going, keep going. As long as you're not jacking on the back plate.
I am, I think. I think I am. Oh, I don't know. Oh yeah, it will be.
Keep going, keep going. That'll do. There's the key.
Yep.
You can let the jack down.
Okay.
Just drag it out of the way, mate. Why don't I hold my screwdriver? God, I hate this car. You start off loving them and you start hating them.
Yeah.
The day you start hating them is different, right?
Yeah.
I could rattle that with a gun now.
Yeah?
I could rattle that with a gun.
Uh-huh. You want to? No.
Means I've got to get out with my arm and go and get a gun. Can't be arsed.
There's one just sitting in the...
Huh?
There's one sitting in the hole.
Nah, it means I've got to go and find a socket.
Right, what do you need?
Eh?
A 16?
It's an 18 wall, so we need an 18, but I work in 8 forms, so there's no point.
Right.
I can put it just a tight with hand.
Aye.
Do it the old fashioned way.
Aye.
Before I had.
Before ratchet socket.
Before I had the facts,
Aye, or ratchet fucking.
Well, it takes a little bit longer, but
Yeah, but you know it's done right.
That's it, you know. Maybe these jobs take a little bit longer. There we go. Tight. Oh, down to your old bar to put back on now.
Hold on. Yeah, there's your one.
Where's the link? There's a whole heap of bolts lying on the seat for.
Yeah, I didn't. That one, I think, innit?
They're lying on the seat,
Wait,
the passenger seat.
Whew.
Huh?
The state of that one.
No, the ones that are going to the
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Many.
What?
Many. 2.
Well, the bolts that go in it, right?
Right.
Right. Obviously.
Oh, these are the bolts that were in the car.
Eh?
Oh, this is the bolts that were in the car.
You have to push that up on your side and I'll push it on my side.
Oh, right, at the same time. Well, what will I do with this camera?
You know, you said to me you have problems.
Aye.
We'll put your one in.
Right, what will I do with the camera?
Get a stand and put it on a stand.
That means getting into the house.
So be it.
Right.
We'll go get the camera and pause it.